Second on.
Chidori.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we get our hands on a very special build, so stay tuned and of course like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Cheers. The 8th gen Honda Civic comes with a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine. This engine produces 140 horsepower stock, but of course this car is not stock. So that's what's beautiful and that's what's exciting about this. The car actually, interestingly, is also known as an Acura in other countries, but in India it's called the Honda Civic. When we start with the outside of the car, the exteriors of the car are so mean, especially because of the Mugen body kit. It adds so much character to the car and it makes it look simply awesome. Then when we get to the side, we actually see this beautiful 18-inch Fossen wheels. Oh my god, they're crazy, and wrapped in 215 profile tires. Then, now that's what's exciting about this car. This car is bagged. This car is on custom air suspension designed by N1 Concepts, and that adds an insane presence on the road, and especially because it's on its lowest setting right now. And of course, with the air suspension, you can control it. You can actually control it with the keys, which is cool. And you can't drive it at the lowest setting, but when it's parked, it's basically on the road. Just a little thing about the air suspension. I have the keys with me, which controls it. Okay, so basically individually I can set going up, going down. So I'm going to show you something on how low this car is. Okay, so right now it's on its highest setting. So my entire hand is fitting through. Now I press the key and watch what happens. Whoa. If I owned this car, I would just play with this all day, I think. But just look at that. Basically, the car doesn't move once it's on its lowest setting. And to show you how low this is, my hand is not going in. Basically, the entire body is resting on the wheels, on the tires. One aspect is how this car looks, but what's under the hood and the performance aspect of it is another game altogether. It's because this car also has a full exhaust, headers, downpipe, and the muffler. Everything has been changed in this car. Now, the exhaust is a Valvetronic exhaust, is a 4:1:2 setup. So it's got a dual exhaust, and of course it's tuned. So this car is tuned with a Wolf tuning, pops and bangs tune, and it shoots flames, because what's the fun otherwise? You need flames in your car. You made such an awesome project car, you need some flames. And of course this car is mated to a 5-speed manual, so driving is even more fun. So now we are inside the car, and of course there's not much done, but there are these few things which add a lot of character and give a full JDM vibe. First of all, this gear knob is a custom Mugen gear knob. Red color matches the entire color of the car, which is awesome. Some carbon fiber bits here and there. Now, what gets really interesting, very interesting, is this little center console here. So if I open this right here, it reveals the important part of this car, which is the air suspension. Now everything can be controlled from here, and in fact from the keys as well. So these keys, I mean, it's just A, B, C, D, but this controls front and rear separately, which is awesome. And this other key is for the Valvetronic exhaust, which we'll get to in a bit. But air suspension can be individually controlled. The rear can be controlled, the front can be controlled. You can increase the height of the rear, you can increase the height of the front, everything separately. So it's completely customized. And there's a nice little pressure gauge over here, which, I don't know, it looks pretty cool. The interiors have a nice vibe, is because it's a complete red and black interior, which matches the outside of the car, which is the red paint. And also this complete Android system here, and an upgraded sound system as well. So it looks nice, looks really cool. I mean, I'm overwhelmed, to be honest, because there's so much going on here, and it's very tastefully done. And yeah, that's about it. I think we should now go for a drive. Let's do that. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had a blast with this car because I absolutely love how it looks, how it drives, the stands, everything. A little camber is what I request the owner to do because it'll just complete the entire look of this car. And of course, performance. And there's lots more coming to this car because the owner has a lot of big plans to do performance upgrades as well. Right now, it has a few, but it's just basic. Of course, there's a flame map, but other than that, he's going to do much, much more, which will come soon. Also, a dyno run is to be done to actually get the power figures of the car, which is only expected to be around 20 horsepower gain. But with a dyno, we'll actually know what the situation is. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And of course, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you.